Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Slack notifications not working. All you need to do is press on your profile and then press on pause notification for 30 minutes and then press on your profile icon again, pause notification and then press on resume notifications. And one other thing you can do is you choose the channel that you need the notification to be you choose the channel that the notifications is not working or the notification you need to have, and then you press on the three dots and then you press on edit notifications and make sure it is all new posts. If it is anything else, just just check all new posts here, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.